ជំរាបសួរក៏ដូចជាសួស្តីអ្នកសិក្សាភាសាអង់គ្លេសទាំងអស់គ្នាស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ Study Buddy នៅក្នុងវីដេអូមួយនេះគឺ Study Buddy នឹងធ្វើតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង IELTS listening ហើយយើងផ្ដោតទៅកាន់ section 1 ហើយនេះបានជា Study Buddy ធ្វើមាតិកាតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង IELTS អញ្ចឹងមូលហេតុគឺថាដោយសារតែ Study Buddy បានបង្ហោះអំពី Australian Award Scholarship information ក៏ដូចជា tips ក៏ដូចជារបៀបដាក់ពាក្យរបៀបអីអញ្ចឹងណាហើយនៅក្នុងនោះ requirement មួយតម្រូវការមួយរបស់ Australian Awards Scholarship គឺតម្រូវឲ្យយើងមាន IELTS ហើយអញ្ចឹងទៅ Study Buddy ចង់ធ្វើមាតិកាតាក់ទងជាមួយ IELTS ដើម្បីចែករំលែកឲ្យអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបានឃើញអំពីរបៀបធ្វើ IELTS ណាអញ្ចឹងថ្ងៃនេះគឺយើងនឹងផ្ដោតទៅលើ IELTS listening section 1ណាតែ section 1នេះវាមាន reading វាមាន writing វាមាន speaking អីទៀតផ្សេងទៀតប៉ុន្តែក្នុងវីដេអូមួយនេះគឺយើងផ្ដោតទៅលើ IELTS listening ហើយយើង focus ទៅលើ section 1 section 1និយាយជារួមទៅវាគឺជា section ដែលងាយជាងគេប៉ុន្តែនៅក្នុង listening section 1ហ្នឹងក៏ជាកន្លែងដែលគេប្រឡប់យើងច្រើនជាងគេដែរបានន័យថាគេផ្ដល់ចម្លើយមកវាធ្វើឲ្យយើងខុសអីអញ្ចឹងណាអញ្ចឹងបើសិនជាយើងអត់ផ្ទៀងឬក៏អត់ pay attention ទៅលើការឆ្លើយសំណួរទៅការស្ដាប់ទេយើងនឹងអាចឆ្លើយខុសអូខេយើងនឹងអាចឆ្លើយខុសអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវយើងមកមើលថាតើថ្ងៃនេះ Study Buddy យក test អីគេឲ្យអ្នកនរគ្នានេះគេហៅថា note completion នេះគេថា complete the notes ឃើញទេអញ្ចឹងក្នុង section 1ហ្នឹងគឺយើងបានឃើញអញ្ចឹងទៅហើយគេចាក់ឲ្យតែម្ដងឯងអញ្ចឹងនៅពេលស្ដាប់បដាយើងបំពេញចម្លើយបដាស្ដាប់បដាបំពេញចម្លើយបដាអញ្ចឹងណាអញ្ចឹងយើងស្ដាប់មើលទៅហើយយើងរបៀបទូទាយើងអាចទូទាបានដូចថាឥឡូវលេខ1ហ្នឹងគួរតែគេដាក់អីគេ open in អីគេណា length of exhibition រយៈពេលអាហ្នឹងប្រហែលជាចំនួនថ្ងៃអីអញ្ចឹងទៅណាហើយអីគេនេះខាហ្នឹង available for to observe and other for អីគេហើយ prohibits អីគេដែលហាមឃាត់ណាពេលខ្លះនៅពេលដែលយើងស្ដាប់វាអត់ឮពាក្យ prohibit ទេពេលយើងស្ដាប់យើងអត់ឮពាក្យlength of exhibition អីចឹងទេប៉ុន្តែយើងអាចឮពាក្យដែលមានន័យស្រដៀងគ្នាអញ្ចឹងសំខាន់មែនតើហើយមួយទៀតដែលខ្ញុំចង់បញ្ជាក់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដែរគឺ instruction ថាតើនៅពេលដែលយើងស្ដាប់គេឲ្យយើងសរសេរប្រមាណណាដូចនៅក្នុងករណីនេះគេថា no more than 2 words បានន័យថាយើងអាចសរសេរ2ពាក្យបានប៉ុន្តែហាមលើស2ពាក្យប៉ុន្តែយើងក៏អាចសរសេរ a number ដែរនេះ and or a number អាចថែមលេខមួយទៀតក៏បានអញ្ចឹងសរុប maximum ទាំងអស់គឺ2ពាក្យជាមួយនឹងលេខ1ប៉ុន្តែมันប្រកាសថាឲ្យយើងត្រូវសរសេរទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងឯងខ្លះណាគេត្រូវថាមួយអក្សរខ្លះណាត្រូវតែមួយលេខអីចឹងទៅប៉ុន្តែហាមលើសហ្នឹងណាហាមលើសហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំបញ្ជាក់ម្ដងទៀតខ្ញុំនឹង play audio ឲ្យអ្នកនរគ្នាស្ដាប់ហើយអ្នកនរគ្នាស្ដាប់ជាមួយគ្នាធ្វើកិច្ចការជាមួយគ្នាជាមួយ Study Buddy បើសិនជាមានខ្មៅដៃឬក៏ប៊ិចអាច note បដាស្ដាប់បដាហើយចង់ដឹងថាតើចង់ក្រោយចម្លើយវាយ៉ាងម៉េចដែរណាអាហ្នឹងគឺជារបៀបដែលយើងអាចអនុវត្តតែជាមួយគ្នាបានអញ្ចឹងអ្នកនរគ្នាខ្ញុំនឹង play ហើយខ្ញុំនឹងស្ងាត់ស្ដាប់ជាមួយគ្នាបញ្ជាក់ IELTS គេស្ដាប់តែម្ដងឯងអញ្ចឹងស្ដាប់រកបានចម្លើយសរសេរស្ដាប់រកបានចម្លើយសរសេរណាហ្នឹងហើយបើខុសបើផ្លេចហួសទៅហើយចាំក្រោយចាំយើងមក correct តាមក្រោយបានអូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងមានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេហើយបញ្ជាក់បើសិនជាអ្នកផ្សេងទៀតដែលគាត់ចង់រៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេសអាចឆាតមកកាន់ Study Buddy បានយើងក៏មានថ្នាក់ភាសាអង់គ្លេសដែរហើយថ្ងៃនេះ IELTS listening section 1ប្រភេទ academic style ណាតោះឥឡូវមកស្ដាប់ហើយនឹងធ្វើលំហាត់ជាមួយយើង
You will hear a number of different recordings and you will have to answer questions on what you hear. There will be time for you to read the instructions and questions and you will have a chance to check your work. All the recordings will be played once only. The test is in 4 sections. At the end of the test, you will be given 10 minutes to transfer your answers to an answer sheet. Now turn to Section 1. Section 1. You will hear a woman phoning to inquire about exhibition information. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 4. you will see that there is an example that has been done for you. On this occasion only, the conversation relating to this will be played first.
Good morning. You're through to the events coordinator at the Birmingham City Council. How may I help you?
Hello there. My husband and I are interested in purchasing tickets to the automobile exhibition, but I couldn't find many details about it on your website, and I was wondering whether you could provide me with some more information. Does it open in June?
The purpose of calling is to purchase tickets, so purchasing has been written in the space. Now we shall begin. You should answer the questions as you listen, because you will not hear the recording a second time.
ខ្ញុំបញ្ជាក់បន្តិចដែរមិញហ្នឹងកន្លែងឧទាហរណ៍ហ្នឹងវាអត់មានទេណាដោយសារតែក្នុង website ហ្នឹងគេអត់មានដាក់កន្លែងឧទាហរណ៍យើងទេប៉ុន្តែពេលយើងប្រឡងមែនតើអាចមានអាចអត់តាមហ្នឹងណាប៉ុន្តែបញ្ជាក់ដែរមិនមែន listening ទេណាតែឥឡូវយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមទៅហើយណាអញ្ចឹងម្ដងទៀតស្ដាប់តែម្ដងទេហើយបំពេញចម្លើយយើងតែម្ដង
Listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 4.
ពី1ដល់4សិនពី1ដល់4សិន
Good morning. You're through to the events coordinator at the Birmingham City Council. How may I help you?
Hello there. My husband and I are interested in purchasing tickets to the automobile exhibition, but I couldn't find many details about it on your website, and I was wondering whether you could provide me with some more information. Does it open in June?
Yes, of course, madam. The exhibition will take place during July and will showcase the history of automobiles from the very first commercial car in the late 1800s all the way through to the present day.
Is the exhibition open for the duration of July?
No, madam. The exhibition will last 3 days, from the 1st of July to the 3rd of July, and then the cars will be taken to another exhibition.
Okay. Does the exhibition focus on a certain manufacturer?
No, it will showcase a wide range of manufacturers.
Wonderful. I'm ever so fed up of going to these shows and only seeing one manufacturer. Are there any opportunities to sit in or even drive the cars?
There will be many opportunities for you to sit in the cars. However, some of the cars will only be available to observe. We are yet to be told whether any of the antique cars will be available to drive. However, there will certainly be an opportunity to test driving some of the more modern cars on a purpose-built track.
That sounds like great fun. I mustn't forget to bring my camera, or my husband will never forgive me.
I'm afraid to say that cameras are actually strictly not allowed to bring into the exhibition. There will, however, be a section where a professional photographer will be available to take photos of you sitting in a car in period clothing.
Well, that sounds like it could be fun, but I assume the photos won't be free.
On the contrary, one free photograph is included within every ticket, but each photo after this will cost £5.
Before you hear the rest of the conversation, you have some time to look at questions 5 to 10.
អូខេឥឡូវយើងមើលពីលេខ5ដល់លេខ10ណាចានេះខ្ញុំក៏ពិត technical error ទេនេះ it's like free ប៉ុន្តែគេសេសខុសណាតែលេខ5ហ្នឹងមើលទៅដូចជាលេខឯងព្រោះនេះជាលុយណាហ្នឹងគឺរបៀបដែលយើងវិភាគឬក៏ analyze the answer ដែរណាថាយើង
Now listen and answer questions 5 to 10.
That's a nice surprise. Not many things are free anymore. I've been asking around about the ticket prices, but I haven't yet had a definite answer. Is it correct that the tickets are £100, whether you buy them now or on arrival?
I'm afraid not. If you buy the ticket in advance, the price is £110, but it's £165 on the door.
Oh, goodness. I suppose I'd best pay for them now then. Is it possible to buy tickets from you now over the phone?
Yes, of course, madam. I'll transfer you to the box office manager, Mark Edgeworth. That's EDGEWORTH. And he will probably need to take your credit card details and some personal details.
Yes, That's fine. Before you transfer me, I just need to ask a few more questions. Will the exhibition be held in the Birmingham Exhibition Centre? I think that's where I went last time.
No, madam. The Birmingham Exhibition Centre is currently undergoing some renovations, so this year all exhibitions will be held in the Summer Palace.
Summer Palace? I'm not entirely sure where that is.
Well, it's not too far from City Centre. Once you're in the centre, you should be able to find signs for the palace. If not, most people in Birmingham will be able to direct you.
Neither my husband nor I am particularly good with directions. Is there anywhere I can find this information on the internet?
Our website will give you an address. Perhaps you could visit www.directions.com for more detailed information, and they should be able to provide you with step-by-step instructions.
Okay. And is this the best way to contact you, by phone?
I think the most convenient way to contact us is inquiring online, which is much simpler than having to dial various different numbers to reach the right person. Unless you have any more questions, I'll transfer you now.
No, that's great. Thank you for your help.
That is the end of section 1. You now have half a minute to check your answers.
អូខេយើងមានពេល30វិនាទីណាអញ្ចឹងដោយអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាមើលអញ្ចឹងឧទាហរណ៍ថាបើសិនជាក្នុងករណីថាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាស្ដាប់អត់បានទេអញ្ចឹងអាកន្លែងណាដែលប្រហែលអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា guess យកតែម្ដងទៅណាកុំទុកចោលឲ្យសោះណា guess យកមែនតើទៅហើយកន្លែងណាដូចថាយើងវារៀងវែងឬក៏យើងអត់ច្បាស់ទេយើងទៅសេតម្រងកាត់ណាមួយយើងមកបំពេញវិញព្រោះយើងមានពេល30វិនាទីដែរណាអូខេអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំគិតថា this is all the answer that I get ហើយចាំមើលយើង check មើលថាតើត្រូវឬក៏អត់ណា Oh inquiring online ខុសណា Oh spelling inquiring online អូសរសេរខុសបាទឃើញទេអក្សរ E ខ្ញុំដាក់អក្សរ I Oh my gosh ណាអញ្ចឹង spelling errors មែនតើណាខុសតែបន្តិចនេះខុស S ផ្លេច S អីក៏វាចាប់កំហុសដែរណាអូខេអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវបានតែ9ទេប៉ុន្តែ it's okay it's just a practice test សម្រាប់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាណាអញ្ចឹងក្នុង section 1 ហ្នឹងវាស្រួលស្ដាប់ប៉ុន្តែវារៀង tricky មែនតើសម្រាប់យើងព្រោះវាមាន distraction ច្រើនអញ្ចឹងណាអញ្ចឹងសង្ឃឹមថាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានៅពេលដែលបានមើលវីដេអូមួយនេះហើយអាចយកទៅ practice អីបន្ថែមអញ្ចឹងទៅណាចាំខ្ញុំតម្លាក់test ឬក៏ link 2 3ដើម្បីឲ្យអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាចូលទៅអនុវត្តថាតើខ្ញុំអនុវត្តទៅបានច្រើនជាង study buddy កំពុងបង្ហាញទៀតនេះតែសេខុសសេអីអញ្ចឹងទៅណាអូខេអរគុណច្រើនអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយបញ្ជាក់ម្ដងទៀត if you want to study English if you want to be able to speak and use English មក chat មក study buddy មកប្រាប់ study buddy មកយើងមានថ្នាក់រៀនពេលល្ងាចអរគុណច្រើនអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាយើងនឹងជួបគ្នានៅពេលក្រោយ goodbye